And the best part? You don't need any experience. Anyone can start, even complete beginners.
In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step.
If you want to make money online, this video is for you.
Let's break down the easiest methods you can start today. The first method is content writing.
Businesses need blog posts and articles every single day. You can create content using ChatGPT in just minutes.
Then edit, improve, and make the content sound natural.
After that, you can sell your writing service to clients online.
Many beginners charge $10 to $100 per project. The second method is social media content creation. Small businesses need help managing their online content.
You can manage accounts and prepare content calendars for clients. Enterprise. This can help you earn monthly recurring income. The third method is copywriting. The fashion.
You can also create ads for businesses.
And you can write email marketing content too.
Good copy helps businesses get more clicks and sales.
That is why clients are willing to pay well for it. You can also create ebooks using ChatGPT. And then sell those ebooks as digital products online.
Or you can turn your knowledge into simple online courses. Over time, this can become a passive income stream. Now let's talk about how to actually start. Step 1. Choose one method that fits your interest.
Step 2. Learn the basics of that method. Step 3. Practice daily using ChatGPT. Step 4. Create a few sample projects for your portfolio. Step 5. Offer your service on freelancing platforms or social media. Results may not come instantly, but progress will come with practice. Most people quit early, so don't give up too soon.
You can start today with just one simple skill.
Your future online income can start from this moment.
Comment below if you found this helpful. Don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe for more videos about making money online. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.